In this short video, we'll be explaining how millboard is manufactured, what it is made from, and the key features of millboard over against a traditional timber deck or a wood plastic composite. Unlike wood plastic composites, which are extruded, millboard is a moulded product. To start with, we take real sections of oak to form our moulds. This gives millboard the natural wood grain, look, feel and aesthetics to give you that warmth, depth and beauty. First in the process is the colour coating. The grain pattern coating and the random coating are hand applied. This gives the colour, depth and natural aesthetics. Then the next process is the last stain layer, which is applied into the process. This is a rubberized coating which gives the unrivaled anti-slip and its non-algae surface. Finally in the process is the core. The material is injected into the mould and then capped off and cured. The base material is made from a polyurethane resin blended with limestone powder and fiberglass for added strength and durability. There are a few other ingredients added during the process. Those include fire retardants, UV stabilizers and heat reflective pigments. The products are finally checked, calibrated and then packed for dispatch. So here we have a finished board. So looking down the board you can see the grain detail as it runs the length of the board, and the grain detail, being a moulded product, is only finished on the single face. If you turn the board over, you will see that it actually has the capped moulded finish from production process. This all adds up to a product that displays unique features and benefits with minimal maintenance and maximum durability for years to come. Hand moulded from natural timber, then coloured by our craftsmen, this gives an authentic product feel. Millboard decking is easy to work with using standard saws and woodworking tools. No pre-drilling is required for fixings. Simply fix the board using the Millboard Durafix screw to leave a virtually indistinguishable mark. There is no wood filler in millboard. This means that it does not rot, warp or splinter under the weather climatic conditions. By not using a cheap wood filler, millboard is not affected by insect attack, nor is it affected by the damp, and it does not host the algae growth. Millboard is splinter free. Millboard is a low maintenance, non-porous finish. Gone are the days when you have to stain, sand or varnish your terrace area. We recommend that you follow our annual maintenance guide. I'm now going to demonstrate to you how stain resistant millboard is compared to a wood plastic composite. So here we have the tomato ketchup. Applying it on the board. So this simulates a spillage onto a terrace area. We'll now leave that for 5 minutes and then wash it off with warm soapy water as you would do at home. Okay, so now we've left it on there for 5 minutes on the surface on both the millboard and the wood plastic composite. I will now wipe them off. First starting with the millboard. As you can see, it's left a clean finish with no visible marks. Then with the wood plastic composite, as you can see, it's left some staining on the surface area. This is because of the oils in the ketchup has absorbed into the wood filler material. Millboard shows great resistance to weathering, including UV, as well as having good dimensional stability. Finally, millboard outperforms many outdoor flooring solutions in terms of slip resistance, particularly in the wet. This chart shows millboard enhanced grain and weathered oak when dry and when wet, using the recognised pendulum test values. So to summarise, millboard captures the natural beauty of timber, but with the high performance of our hybrid millboard material. Thank you for listening to this video.